Hi, welcome to my channel, and we are starting our travel today from Hyderabad to Gokarna, and I have bunch of people with me. Say hi. So we just started and we halted for a tea in between, and it will be a complete 12-13 hour journey. हमने चाय वाय पी लिया अभी हम लोग चालू करेंगे अपना So guys, this is the view of the Om beach and the shack we are now currently staying. An awesome view. There are so many time, like after 1 year I am having vitamin C. I'll just take you to my friends who are having fun while ordering the food. Hey guys. Hey lovely ladies. Hi Masti. Hello everyone. Give some comments bite for my vlog. How is the feeling? How is the ambience here, Miss Debo? Okay. And okay. ठीक है. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Trinath is smiling. Trinath, कुछ बोलोगे? ठीक से बैठो. Kavya, say something. Okay, now you put me on the spot. Something. Good. Masti, something. Say something.
Selfie star. I'm taking a video.
Video अच्छा आ रहा है ना?
Yes.
Looking hot, right?
Yeah.
All sexy people. Om beach. Posing people.
Oh God.
So after having brunch, we came to the sea beach and it's an awesome view. And my friends are having fun. I was just there in the water and I came back. Day 1 just started in Gokarna. A lot more to come. So you guys are going for a banana ride, right? Yes. So how do you feel?
Very good.
Have fun, guys. See, we are now going from Om Beach to Gudle Beach by trekking. So we are now trekking to Gudle Beach. You guys have just completed the banana ride. I didn't join them because I was having procedure in my left eye a couple of days back. I didn't ride, but I enjoyed watching them enjoy. This is lovely Gudle Beach.
I stayed last time here.
This is the lovely Gudle Beach. We just came from Om Beach. See, I've been to Thailand and it looks like Phi Island. Yeah, lovely. Not similar, but still the feel is like that. I'm happy to be here in Gokarna this time because I have been to Goa twice. Something offbeat I wanted to have this time, and I found a new friends. These are my friends, and we decided to have this trip, and we are having fun. All the fun in the life, right? Hey guys, how's the fun? Hey guys, how's the fun? ये मुझे सिटी आइलैंड जैसे लग रहा है यार, लुक्स लाइक सिटी आइलैंड। हाँ उधर फुकेट में। Day 1 going good. I just woke up. It's the day 2 morning, and everybody after like the night before it was a road trip, so everybody has had a good sound sleep. Now we'll start in a while for Jog Falls and Murdeshwar today. That is the plan. Yesterday it was like we sat on the beach late evening, like you can say not a late evening, it's like morning till 2. We were at the beach singing, dancing, drinking. So it was like a lot of fun, and yeah, the view is awesome now here. Photo sessions going on now. The glamorous corridor.
ओम श्री गणेश का इसका यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा होता है इंटीरियर वाला। इसे स्पॉन्सर कर दो।
मॉडल के ऊपर टॉर्चर चल रहा है। आ जाओ फॉर द बेस्ट क्लिक। Yeah, my sexiest friend, Debushmita. Yeah, I'm so lucky to have you in my life.
Yes, and we are heading towards Jog Falls and
क्या बात है वो? आहा, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। Murdeshwar now, and see, I think the place is very much crowded today. A lot of people are there. But however, this is my second visit to the temple, and I'm like fascinated, always like fascinated about large Shiva statues. So it is, I think, second highest, tallest Shiva statue in India. And this is the temple, and the Shiva statue is behind. So we'll go and explore now. But you can see there are lot of people have come for the darshan today, like crowded like anything, and I am like blessed to have this opportunity to have the darshan today. Jai Shiva Shambhu.
जय हो शंकर।
आए हम लोग अभी मुर्देश्वर मंदिर दर्शन करने। मंदिर के जस्ट पीछे ही स्टैचू है।
तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आँख मूंद के चला।
So we are at the Murdeshwar temple. See this. Behind we have the statue of Bole Baba. हाँ sunset उस तरफ चलो।
शंभो शिवाय शंकर नमो नमो जी शंकर भोलेनाथ शंकर
नमो नमो जी शंकर आदिदेव शंकर रुद्रदेव महेश्वरा। Just amazing view of the sea, and sun is like ready to set. This is the view for what like people come here to witness the sunset here. Like an amazing view.
पहले तेरा वास्ता ये जग रहे या ना रहे,
And we have Bole Baba statue here.
रहेगी तेरी आस्था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय,
So nice.
दोनों में तेरी महानता महानता महानता। सीपियों की ओट में भोलेनाथ शंकरा, मोतियां हो जिस तरह
So other side there is a sun temple.
मेरे मन में शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, तू बसा है उस तरह हे शिवाय शंकरा। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा, अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा। तेरे सामने है झुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभो हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा।
Guys, how was the darshan? Good. And how do you feel that nature meets spirituality here? Good. Can you say something about that?
I will
Five-star rating. Yeah.
nature, herbals, Lord Shiva. You know, you are getting my point, right?
Yeah.
Shiva.
Jai Shiva Shankar.
I'm very happy. I'm blessed to come here to Murdeshwar temple.
Yeah.
And being a
This is
Shiva
your first time,
devotee,
right?
yes, this is my first time being a Shiva devotee. वो नशे में रहना, it's a life different.
Yeah, different
And the
experience.
sunset, we are just waiting for the sunset moment.
Correct.
And this is the first time with my strangers. And strangers meet yes, and
Strangers becoming friends.
yes, now we became very best friends.
Okay. Kavya, you have to say something about the darshan today. This entire ambience of having
So yeah, this was my
This
first
place.
experience here
mask
at the temple.
निकाल सकते हो? ठीक है, चलो.
Yeah. So yeah, really amazing seeing the Shiva statue and everything looks very splendid and amazing.
Yeah, moment, right?
समुद्र मंथन का था समय जुड़ा पड़ा।
सनसेट देख के हम लोग अभी वापस जा रहे हैं धीरे धीरे.
दोनों लोक में
Go to the beach.
पे था छिड़ा।
कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को दोस्तों?
अच्छा लग रहा है,
सीरियस कुछ बोलने वाली है क्या? बोलो.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
ओके.
अफसोस ये है कि सेल्फी क्वीन हमारे साथ जिंदा है।
शी सेल्फी कोई ना.
हम बस वेट कर रहे हैं कि एक नारियल का मेरे में दिखने रहा होगा और हम मजा करें। अभी हम शाम रंगीन करने जा रहे हैं।
हाँ, किसके साथ?
दारू के साथ।
क्या बात है.
और
दारू पे चर्चा हो रही है. जवानी जाने मन. चीयर्स 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 चीयर्स.
नहीं है हमारे साथ।
हाँ, व्यूअर्स को हम लोग बाद में देख लेंगे.
चाहते हैं आप भी
हाँ,
दारू
घर में जब बैठ के बर्फ तोड़ो.
मुझे कंप्लीट करने दोगे या खुद ही?
ओह नहीं या प्लीज, आई एम सो सॉरी. आई अपोलोजाइज. पूरा मैं डिलीट कर दूंगा. You carry on.
I will write an email to YouTube. He's mentally harassing me.
इधर तो बहुत सारा हैरेसमेंट का केस आ जाएगा नहीं? काव्या. This music is a long drive inside. Oh. So we're just back at the hotel shack. It was like awesome day. We had a good time spent in Murdeshwar. We had a drinks and dinner in the evening. We sat for 2 hours there and a wonderful road way back to Gokarna. Good music, good like lot of funny conversations. You guys can understand. Now like I'm sitting here, just came back to the hotel shack. We'll have some coffee because dinner is already done. good thing. Like drink something hot and then we'll freshen up and go and sit on the beach again, spend some time, 3 hours on the beach. So that's the plan. That is the way we will like wrap today's session, today's day 2. Guys, morning. It's just we woke up now. I had a cup of coffee, breakfast, and freshen up. And today is like we don't have any much activities. Like we'll chillax at the beach. If we want, we'll get into the water, have fun. After lunch, we'll start for Hyderabad. A few guys who woke up early has gone to visit a temple nearby. I was like very sleepy. All of us like went to sleep around 4 in the morning. We were all like having fun at the beach, having booze. It was like awesome start of the new year. We can't ask for more. Like, you woke up to this view, what else you can ask in life, right? So it's just a bliss for me. I'm just having fun. So this is the end of our travel. We're now traveling back to Hyderabad. This awesome trip is over. So what's it, guys?
Please come to Gokarna if you have time. This is a wonderful place.
Yeah, what's the name of the place? Yeah, it's a lovely place. Calm, quiet.
People are also lovely.
Yeah, and it is fucking awesome. Okay, so bye. We came for dinner. People are like dying. हंसते हंसते मर रहे सब. हम लोग हुबली में आए हैं हॉट करने के लिए. अभी डिनर टाइम है एंड फिर सीधा हैदराबाद. कुछ लोग हैं को बकबक करे जाते हैं. दोनों ऐसे इसमें से मस्तान है. देखो ये कभी भी सो भी नहीं रहा है, कुछ चुप भी नहीं हो रहा है. लोग देखो पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस में ये बकबक किए जा रहे हैं. When there is masti in the group, fun is double. It's morning almost like what is the time now? It's 1 AM and we are on the way. We halted for a little bit break, tea break, and it's like 5-6 hours more will take to reach Hyderabad. The journey is ended. We reached Hyderabad.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah. So guys, how was the journey? So until we meet again.
Yes.
Say bye.
Bye.
Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.